Turkish 5 Heavy Tower, range 28 center, clear to land, wind 22015, just 19er, traffic, expressway 22 left.
Clear to land, runway 2
United Christian Envoy 3748, tower cut to the pattern, range 22 left, line up and wait, heavy jet traffic on a 7-mile final for space, and I want you out ahead of them.
Envoy 3748, we'll need a couple of minutes.
Envoy 3748, pull on the pad, let me know when you're ready.
Pull on the pad, we'll let you know, Envoy 3748.
American 1954, are you ready?
1954, we are ready.
American 1954, cut through the pattern, HTC left, line up and wait, heavy jet traffic on a 5.5-mile final for space, and I want you out ahead of them.
Yeah, line up and wait, 22 left, cutting to the pad, American 1954.
American 2323, connect departure 118.27.
1827, good night. Yeah, 1043, we're 12 out for 28 center.
American 1954, can you be ready for an immediate?
Yes, we can.
American 1954, no delay on the roll, only 22 left, clear for takeoff from left 160, heavy jet traffic on a 3-mile, final for 28 center.
Clear for takeoff, I'll turn heavy 160, American 1954.
United 743, heavy tower, 28 center, clear to land, wind 22016, caution weight turbulence and trail of the heavy.
Clear to land, 28 center, United 743 heavy. That's Envoy 3748, we are ready.
Envoy 3748, tower 22 left, line to wait, caution weight turbulence. One more heavy after the one you see just ahead on final for 28 center, expect delay on the runway.
Roger, line up and wait, 22 left, Envoy 3748.
United 639. Yeah, you should be next to the aircraft taking the runway. American 1954, thanks for your help. Contact you for today.
American 1954.